Let's kick this thing off. On behalf of Mr. Christian Johnson, Principal, Colonel James D. Christmas, our City Marine instructor, welcome. This is the first time that Vanderbilt High School has had a Veterans Day program, and I'd like to personally thank Mr. Johnson for giving us permission to do it. With that being said, this program is completely going to be a dead brand. I'm going to hand the microphone off to our cadet commanding officer, and I'm going to get out of his way.
I would like to welcome you all today to our school's first ever Veterans Day program. On behalf of the staff, faculty, and student body, it is my distinct privilege to welcome you all to this special ceremony. Due to the size of our student body and space constraints, we will have to divide our program into two parts. The first part will be for freshmen and sophomores, and the second for juniors and seniors. This will allow all our students the opportunity to celebrate our veterans. At this time, we respectfully ask that all cell phones be either turned off or placed on silent. Please stand and remain so quietly for the presentation of the colors, pledge, and national anthem. At the end of the national anthem, remain seated. Thank you.
Right turn. March. Forward. March. Right turn. March. Forward. Hold. Breathe and go.
Please join me in saying the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and join in the singing of the national anthem by Cadet Valentino Loper.
From all the military members who have known the searing heat of the Middle Eastern desert, and all those who have served our country in blessed times of peace. We hope that today you will feel appreciated and loved for your willingness to raise your right hand and pay paid the ultimate price so that we may know freedom. Please know that today's program is in honor of you and conducted so that all will remember that our great nation is built upon your legacy. Thank you, and let the celebration begin.
Once a person referred to the flag as just a piece of cloth. Is that how we see it? Is it just another piece of cloth?
It was with the Minutemen at Lexington and Concord, here the shot heard around the world, that began the American Revolution. It was with General Washington when he crossed the Delaware. It was with Andrew Jackson at the Battle of New Orleans in 1812. It was at the Alamo. Did they fight and die for just a piece of cloth?
It was with Lee and Grant at the Bull Run and Appomattox. It was with Teddy Roosevelt and the Rough Riders at San Juan Hill. It was with the Duck Boy in World War I. Did they fight and die just for a piece of cloth?
It was aboard the U.S. Arizona on a Sunday morning in 1941. It was with the infantry that landed on the beaches named Omaha, Juneau, Sword and Gold. It was at the Battle of the Bulge and was with the Marines at Guadalcanal and Iwo Jima. It was on board the Enola Bay when the first atomic bomb was dropped at Hiroshima. Did they fight and die for just a piece of cloth?
It flew with the jets in North Korea and was with the Marines at Johnson Reservoir. It fought on hills and ridges called Bloody, Heartbreak, Old Wally, and Warchop. It flew bombing missions over Hanoi and night missions over Baghdad and was with the battalions in Desert Storm. Did they fight and die for a piece of cloth?
It is now with men and women who walk the mean streets and dangerous roads of Iraq, ensuring a future free from terrorism. It flew above the rubble of the World Trade Center Twin Towers. It crashed into a field in Pennsylvania. It watched as thousands of young men and women say goodbye to home and family to go to the Middle East and combat suicide attacks and hatred towards Americans. Are they fighting and dying just for a piece of cloth?
Freedom is not free. It is a very high price and has been paid for many times by many people. The American flag is a product of its past and our hope for its future. It symbolizes not only liberty, but reminds us of all who were willing to pay the ultimate sacrifice to ensure that it will forever wave. The flag is not what we have. It is what we will continue to make of it. It is American just as I am.
At this time, we would like to recognize the different branches of the armed services. Each service has their own song that is recognized as their official song. The band will now present the salute to America's finest. Please stand when your service song is played. Thank you all for your willingness to serve.
have a chance to grow old, for sacrificing your lives and guarantees so that we can live in liberty. Thank you. For being America's voice, because of you, we have the option to make a choice. For being brave and taking a stand, keeping us safe here in our homeland. Thank you. For all you've done, you made a difference for the world to see, for all to understand that freedom isn't free. Remember, you are the proud, the brave, and the few, not just today, but every day. America